everyone, thanks for joining us. I'm Jimmy.
I'm Jesse.
And this is The Real Dad Show. It looks like the lighting isn't doing too well, so I'll try to do something here to brighten up our faces. I just didn't feel like bringing all the lights out. So, what's today's episode?
Today's episode, we're going to get a third stoplight, and we're going to replace it with the new one that we got.
On the Avalanche. So, we were lucky to get a new Escalade style third brake light, so we're just going to swap it out. This is going to be a fast video, so let's just get into it. Don't forget to
click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for the next videos we make. Sorry.
You caught me before I did it. All right, so I'll put the tools and everything that we used in the description box below. Don't forget, like our videos, subscribe to our videos, just like the man said. So let's get to it.
Okay, so you're going to need a torque screwdriver, specifically the T30, so that way you can take out the screws and take off the part. Okay, now we're going to need to disconnect it. Alright, now I got it.
So here's the new one. Like I said, we're not going to bore you on how we painted this. There's a lot of tutorials about painting, so we're just going to get straight into installing it. Alright, so Jesse, go ahead and attach that to the new light bar. Okay, that's good. Then do the next one. Okay. Let's put the other one in. Now try to get a close-up of him connecting the handle. Those two. Come on this side, Jesse. Alright. Now, we're lucky because the pigtail, or the harness, actually connects directly into the one that's already in the truck. Can you get a close-up of that? I know a lot of people were thinking I was going to have to cut that plug out and put the one that came on the old bar, but actually it fits perfectly. So, what we're gonna do, let's go ahead.
Okay, now we just got to put the screws back in. You just screw them back on.
As you can see, it's not a perfect fit. There's that little edge right there on each side, which is fine. We're gonna buy the sails. I'm gonna buy some new ones. Just waiting for the seller to get back to me, and then we'll replace everything. We just wanted to make a trial fit, see how it looks. Okay, so we filmed this a couple of days ago. We didn't have time to do the intro and the exit, so we're just gonna do these now. So that was a pretty good video, right? Short. Yeah, what did you learn?
That you need a T30. You have to replace it. You have to be careful, or else you'll break the stoplight, and that's not good.
Yeah, but you did everything pretty well on your own this time.
Yeah.
Last night we went out and got some more parts, and I just had to tell Jesse, get that part, and he knew which tools to use. You knew how to take them apart. Did really good. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
All right, so do your little spiel again.
Click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for the next videos we make.
Some good stuff coming up. just so that you know, I'm going to be changing the direction of these videos. The majority of them are just going to be pretty much me and Jesse learning how to do stuff, like working on cars, how to cook dinner, how to plant plants. So got some exciting stuff coming up. So remember, anybody could be a father, but it takes a special person to be a dad. Thank you, and God bless.